welcome back to Gino Plays. I am Cameron, and he is...
Lululemon, also known as...
No, it's Logan, also known as Timmy. It's fine. Anyway.
And Logan, also known as Timmy.
Okay, yeah.
Timmy!
Yeah. Okay, today we'll be both catching our first wolf. We each have 2 zap cubes. I may or may not have got them. Come on.
Yeah, because I'm so close to having them unlocked, but I just need 100 more.
Yeah.
I could be there.
Okay, can't. No, we tied! We tied!
I make it to the island first. Hey, hold me. Let's come out with this.
Here I go.
Come down.
Woo! Logan.
Where are you?
Oh, there's no wolves here.
Oh no, I'm just straight back here. We're going to the town.
Go into the town. Okay, we're probably in time to see you guys.
The Goblin Hut.
Why?
Goblin Hut.
Oh, yeah. You know, stupid guys, there's literally just nothing. See? Nothing. And there's no wolves here, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah, you're fine. Try fighting sheep, okay? Because most hate sheep. This one, they want to eat them. Ooh, chickens, what the heck? You see this?
Wait, guys, we're gonna also catch a chicken.
I might die.
Of course. And that is just Try your cube, try. I'm joking.
Nope.
I'm ready to like you up, it's fine. Oh no, I hate this thing. Can't see you, I know you probably got one. Da. Logan's probably gonna come back with it. Please. No, go back.
No.
Hi. Plunger.
No, they should spawn by sheep.
Plunger! Hey, Mama, plunger. Mommy, I'm okay. Okay, there's gonna be a video. Wait, 10. Wolf! What?
Ooh.
I got my first wolf!
Oh, I got my first wolf.
Whoa, they're really fast.
No, they're not. There's my wolf. My wolf.
Look.
Yeah, I know. I got a wolf too.
Use it. Oh.
I can't. They're falling to the ground.
It's okay.
Oh, Wolfman. Wolfman got my mountain. No.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and peace.